Welcome back to Everything Abroad, your passport to opportunity. Today, we're diving headfirst into the captivating world of factory work in Canada. If you've ever dreamed of a fulfilling career with unexpected perks, you're in for a treat. In this video, we're unveiling the hidden gems of being a factory worker in the Great White North. Stay tuned because, by the end of this presentation, you'll be itching to explore this rewarding career path. Canada consistently ranks high in global quality of life indexes. It offers a clean and safe environment, excellent healthcare, and a strong social safety net. Canadian workplaces often prioritize work-life balance, offering reasonable working hours and generous paid leave policies. As a worker in Canada, you may have access to educational opportunities and support for furthering your career. And let's not forget Canada's breathtaking natural landscapes, from picturesque mountains to serene lakes. Now, let's talk about the icing on the cake, the benefits and perks of factory work. Factory work often provides stable employment. In a world of economic uncertainty, having a reliable paycheck and job stability is like having a golden ticket. Every day in a factory is a day of learning. You'll gain valuable technical and problem-solving skills that can be applied not just in your job but in life too. Factory jobs often come with regular schedules, allowing you to enjoy your personal life to the fullest. And remember, factory work isn't just about assembly lines. It's a world of diverse career paths. You can specialize in machinery operation, quality control, logistics, and so much more. But it's not just about the job, it's about the people. Factory workers form tight-knit communities. You'll be part of a team that supports and celebrates your success. Let's explore the fascinating world of factory workers and the roles they play. Machine operators are the backbone, ensuring equipment runs efficiently and meets production targets. Inspectors and quality control. Workers meticulously examine products to maintain top-notch quality. Material handlers keep things moving, ensuring the smooth flow of materials and products within the factory. Packagers take care of the final touches, preparing products for shipment and meeting customer specifications. Warehouse workers. In larger manufacturing facilities, warehouse workers manage the storage and distribution of materials and products. Maintenance technicians are the heroes who troubleshoot and repair machinery to keep production running smoothly. Welders are the masters of joining metal parts together using various welding techniques. Painters and finishers add the final touch to enhance product appearance and durability. Material processors prepare raw materials to meet specific requirements. Electrical and electronics assemblers specialize in assembling electrical or electronic components and devices. Now, what does it take to become a factory worker in Canada? First, ensure you have the legal right to work in Canada, which may involve citizenship, permanent residency, or a valid work permit. You'll generally need to be at least 18 years old. Be in good health and capable of handling physically demanding tasks. Commit to workplace safety by understanding and following regulations diligently. Effective communication is key for understanding instructions, working in teams, and ensuring safety. Some roles demand precision and a keen eye for detail to maintain product quality. Develop good hand-eye coordination, especially for tasks like assembling or operating machinery. Be prepared to adapt to changing production demands and schedules. Collaborate effectively with colleagues, as many factory environments thrive on teamwork. Proficiency in English or French may be required for effective communication and safety. Now, how do you apply for these exciting factory jobs? Determine the type of factory work that best suits you. Look for job openings that match your skills and qualifications. Tailor your resume or curriculum vitae (CV), highlighting your relevant skills, qualifications, and work experience. Follow the specific application process of the employer. Remember, with the support of employers offering visa sponsorship, you have a higher chance of success in obtaining a work permit. Congratulations! You've reached the end of this captivating video. We hope you found it both informative and inspiring. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up to show your support. Remember, your dream career in Canada is just one step away. Keep exploring. stay motivated, and good luck on your journey.